Applying for a Santander Bank USA credit card involves a few straightforward steps. Here's a simplified guide. 1. Explore credit card options. Visit the official Santander Bank USA website and navigate to the Credit Cards section. Review the available credit card options. Currently, the Santander Ultimate Cashback credit card appears to be their primary offering. Take note of the card's features, rewards, like cashback, introductory offers, if any, annual fees, and eligibility requirements. 2. Check eligibility. Be aware that, as of late 2024, the Santander Ultimate Cashback card had residency restrictions, primarily being available to residents of Washington, D.C., and specific states in the Northeast, Connecticut, Delaware, Florida, limited counties, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Hampshire, New Jersey, New York, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, and Vermont. Consider if you meet this residency requirement. Existing Santander Bank customers may also have an advantage in approval. 3. Gather your information. Before you begin the application, collect the necessary personal and financial details. Personal information, your full name, address, including previous addresses if you've moved recently, date of birth, and social security number. Contact information, phone number and email address. Employment and income information, details about your current employment status, employer, if applicable, and your annual income. 4. Apply online, most likely option. Return to the specific page for the Santander credit card you've chosen on their website. Look for an Apply Now or similar button and click it. You will be directed to an online application form. Carefully fill out all the required fields with the information you gathered. Review the terms and conditions thoroughly before submitting. Click the Submit button to send your application. 5. Wait for a decision. Santander Bank will review your application. You may receive a decision online relatively quickly in some cases. However, it can sometimes take a few days or even a couple of weeks to receive their decision, which they will likely communicate via email or mail. Important considerations. Credit score. Having a good to excellent credit score will significantly increase your chances of approval and may qualify you for better terms. Existing relationship. Being a current Santander Bank customer, e.g., having a checking or savings account, may improve your approval odds. Read the fine print. Pay close attention to the annual percentage rates, APRs, fees. Even if there's no annual fee, there might be other fees, and the details of any rewards programs. If you have difficulty finding the online application or have specific questions, contact Santander Bank USA Customer Service. You can call their customer service line at 1-877-768-2265, available Monday to Saturday, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Visit a branch. If you live in an area with a Santander Bank branch, you can visit them in person to inquire about credit cards and the application process. By following these simple steps, you should be able to apply for a Santander Bank USA credit card. Good luck.